YouTube, what is going on? Hope everyone's having a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month. Good vibes, all the above. So, my birthday was 6 days ago, and this has finally arrived. Your guess is as good as mine. I'm just kidding, I know exactly what's in this box. But before that, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, show some love. Have a good day, good week, good month, good vibes, all the above. You already know. Let's get right into it, man. Let's get right into it. Shout out to the watch plug for this beautiful watch. I've been eyeing this for some time, for about a year now, because my previous watch, I bought on my birthday. It was a Seiko. But this, we're moving up in the world, you know? Your boy turned 25. So, gotta get a watch fitting for a 25-year-old. And yes. Whew. Look at that. Tissot. Shout out to my people in Switzerland. Ooh. So let's get right into the watch. Oh my goodness. So we have here the Tissot PRX Power Automatic 80. Man, that is a beautiful, wow, it has weight to it as well too. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful watch. And me personally, this is a great watch. Entry into the world of luxury. Oh my God, take a look at that. That is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Look at the green dial. I mean, it's like a chameleon, just changes gradients. Wow, such a beauty, such a beauty. This is an absolute beauty. Like, I'm beyond grateful, man. The little kid in me, literally like the 12-year-old Christian, 13-year-old Christian, 10-year-old Christian is just like going crazy. Like, I'm not a super huge watch fanatic, like tell you about super deep in-depth specs, and you know, I know the basics: sapphire crystals, powermatics, you know, quartz watches, things of that nature. And I feel like this watch is gonna take me on a deeper journey into more luxury watches. This is definitely a great entry watch. If you're looking for a watch for like a birthday present, graduation gift, college graduation, it could be high school graduation too. It depends on, you know, how your pockets are, you know, but I don't think I would have got this watch for my high school graduation, because to be honest, my family, graduating high school is literally like, duh, you're supposed to. So this would definitely be a great college gift, great birthday gift for your dad, your brother, uncle, cousin, etc. man. And Tissot just makes beautiful watches, and I am grateful, like grateful for this watch. It comes with, you know, serial number, you can scan it, it comes with a bunch of other stuff, but all in all, this watch for me is the sweet spot. I feel like I can wear this daily, but I won't wear it just on any day. Golf course, you know, going out for lunch, nice spring day brunch. I just love it, man. I am beyond grateful. You guys let me know what you think about the Tissot PRX. And would you buy this watch? Would you buy this watch? Let me know, yes or no, in the comments section. I need to get some links removed. I think you can remove the links yourself. But this is the watch on the wrist, so I'm gonna get a better close-up. Here we have the watch on the wrist. It's a little bulky right now. I mean, it's not super bulky, but I need to remove a link or two. But man, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's beautiful, man. Let me know your comments below. Let me know, I'm very interested to hear it. This green dial isn't just any green dial, right? This is a sunburst green. And when you look at this, hold on, let me turn this. In the light,
stands out bright and shines well, while in the nighttime, you have this sleek, chameleon-like look that comes to it, and it's beautiful clasp. Bro, I love the quality of this. Wow. Great quality. I got this for about slightly under retail, about $5.90, and I'm in total love, man. And you know what green stands for, man? Green is the color of money. So money, life, prosperity. So what better entry luxury watch than to go with the Tissot PRX Powermatic 80. I love this. And this is just a gift to myself, man. I should be buying more Bitcoin, but I told myself that I was gonna get this watch. And you have to live up to the promises that you make yourself. And what comes in the Tissot box, you have the box, Swiss watches since 1853. Obviously a cushion to put your watch on, just like this. And then you get a handbook, quick start guide that we're gonna, skim through. But beautiful watch.
And happy birthday to me, y'all. Here's to 25. And if you've been thinking about Tissot PRX, do not, I repeat, do not think too much. Go get this watch. The quality is amazing, the look is amazing. This watch would definitely start conversations. And this is my entry level into luxury watches for sure. Biggest price tag of all my watches. Next watch that I'm eyeing, I'm not gonna lie, is the Omega Aquaterra. Either that or the Cartier Santos, but I feel like a lot of people have the Cartier Santos. That was a watch that was on my list during 2019, the COVID pandemic, because it was about $4,900. And I was literally just gonna buy it as an investment watch. I'm like, all right, I know this watch is gonna go up in value, and then it did. Now it's, what, $6,900 or $7,500, depending on where you go. But that is all for me, y'all. So you guys already know, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, show some love, show some hate. Do not show no hate in the comments. I'm just kidding, man. I gotta stop saying that. I'm not editing that part out though, but you already know. Have a good day, good week, good month, good vibes, all of the above. Peace.